That smirk when you share an idea. The forgotten email where you were conveniently not marked. The sudden silence when you walk into the room. Jealous colleagues are masters of passive aggression, but today, you'll learn 3 psychological tricks to disarm them and take back your power. Jealousy at work isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. It can steal your promotions, sabotage your reputation, and most of all, drain your energy. But here's the truth. Jealousy is their weakness, not yours. And if you use these strategies, you'll turn their pettiness into your advantage. Strategy number 1, the gray rock method. Jealous people feed off your reactions, so starve them. The gray rock method means becoming as interesting as a gray rock. No emotions, no engagement. When they throw a backhanded compliment, smile and say, "Thanks for sharing." When they forget to loop you in, reply with one line, "Appreciate you adding me next time." Boring, neutral, untouchable. Pro tip, keep a paper trail. Forward suspicious emails to yourself, note dates of incidents, and screenshot chats. If they escalate, you'll have receipts, not just drama. Strategy number 2, transparency. Jealousy thrives in darkness, so drag it into the light. Start CCing your boss on project updates. Publicly acknowledge collaborators. This win was a team effort. If they try to steal credit, respond in a group thread. "Glad you liked my idea from Tuesday's meeting. Here's the slide deck for everyone." Why this works? It forces them to either match your professionalism or expose their pettiness in front of decision makers. The ultimate power move. Let their jealousy fuel your ascent. Every eye roll, every whisper is proof you're winning. Channel that energy into something tangible. Sign up for a certification. Volunteer for high visibility projects. Outperform so loudly their gossip becomes irrelevant. Remember, the higher you climb, the smaller they look. And the best part? Success is the one thing they can't take from you. To recap, gray rock them. No reactions, just receipts. Spotlight their games with radical transparency. Use their bitterness as jet fuel. Remember, jealousy is the tax on success. Don't pay it. Make them foot the bill. Which strategy will you try first? Comment below. If you've ever dealt with office jealousy, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Subscribe for more unapologetic career tactics, and remember, dragons don't lose sleep over the opinions of sheep.